Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on this video, chances are you are looking for that extra spark, that jolt of motivation to push yourself further. You want to work harder, smarter, and achieve more. Well, you are in the right place, because by the end of this, you will have a clearer path to working not just harder, but 100 times more effectively towards your goals. Now, before we talk about hard work, let us clear up a common misconception. Often, what we label as laziness is not actually laziness. Think about it. Are you truly a lazy person, or are you perhaps burnt out, overwhelmed? Maybe you lack clarity on what to do next, or you are facing a deep-seated fear of failure or even success. Sometimes what looks like inaction is really a signal that something deeper needs to be addressed. Whether it is mental fatigue, a lack of purpose, or simply not knowing where to begin. Recognizing this is not an excuse. It is the first step towards unlocking your true potential. The truth is, everyone has the capacity for incredible effort. We just need to tap into the right reservoirs of motivation and clear away the internal obstacles. So, how do we do that? Segment 1. Define your why with absolute clarity. First, you need a powerful why. Why do you want to work harder? Is it for financial freedom? To master a skill, to build something incredible, to help your family? As motivational speaker, Simon Sinek famously says, start with why. When your why is crystal clear and emotionally resonant, it becomes an unstoppable force that pulls you forward even when you are tired. Take a moment right now and think, what is your ultimate purpose for putting in this effort? Write it down. Look at it daily. Segment 2. Break down the mountain into molehills. One of the biggest blockers to hard work is feeling overwhelmed by the sheer size of your goal. You look at the mountain and it seems impossible to climb. The solution? Stop looking at the mountain. Break your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Then break those steps into even smaller daily tasks. Instead of build a business, think research market trends today, then draft mission statement tomorrow. Each small win builds momentum and confidence. You are not climbing a mountain. You are just taking the next step. Segment 3. Implement the 5-minute rule and eliminate distractions. Procrastination often kicks in when a task feels too big or unpleasant. Here is a trick. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you only have to work on that daunting task for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. More often than not. Once you start, you will find yourself flowing into it for much longer. And crucial to this is eliminating distractions. Your phone, social media, random tabs, they are productivity killers. Put your phone in another room. Use website blockers or schedule dedicated deep work blocks where you are absolutely unreachable. Focus is the fuel for hard work. Segment 4. Embrace the process and celebrate progress. Working hard is not about one monumental effort. It is about consistent, deliberate action. You will not feel motivated every single day, and that is okay. The key is to show up anyway. Discipline kicks in when motivation falters. And remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finishing a tough task, acknowledge it. Hit a mini milestone. Reward yourself. These small celebrations reinforce positive habits and keep you engaged for the long haul. Look, working 100 times harder is not about burning yourself out. It is about working smarter, with purpose, and addressing the real barriers that hold you back. It is about recognizing that you have incredible potential within you and equipping yourself with the strategies to unleash it. So, define your why, break down your goals, fight distractions, and celebrate every step forward. You have the power to create the life you want through consistent, focused effort. What is one thing you are going to start working harder on today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more motivational content, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out. Until next time, keep pushing, keep growing, and keep achieving. I will see you in the next one.